Hello all, a warm welcome to Abode Diaries. Last week we were enjoying the vacations with our families as it was a midterm break in our daughter's school. It was truly a beautiful trip. We celebrated Navratri and Dashera there. However, our squirrel enjoyed Ram Leela the most. There was so much to shop in Ramlila, and so we all did a lot of shopping like home and kitchen items, daughter's toys, etc. Today's weather is a bit nostalgic for me. The sun is playing hide and seek today, sometimes shining, sometimes hiding behind the clouds. Don't know why, but this weather reminds me of my childhood days. Seriously, I was not expecting such weather today, and that too after coming back from the trip when I'm already missing the family. First of all, I am keeping this clothes stand in the balcony because before leaving on the trip, I had kept this clothes stand in the living room so that the clothes do not get dirty due to dust or rain. I usually pack the shoes in a cloth bag while traveling and avoid using the plastic bags. I am keeping the shoes in the sunlight for some time to avoid any moisture. Here I'm keeping all the locks and keys together in a zip pouch so that these tiny items don't get lost anywhere, and when needed I can pick them up directly from here. Now it's time to open the bags. I'm collecting all the unwashed clothes which I have already kept separately. Packing before the trip and then unpacking after the trip both are time consuming tasks. However, there is a lot of excitement both the times. While packing, we choose different outfits and some gifts for the family and friends. And when unpacking, then there is another level of excitement when we open our gifts and shopping items. I'm emptying these backpacks also. Putting all the items out together will make it easier to keep them in their designated places in the house. Keeping these bags in the sun so that there is no smell or moisture inside the bags. Also emptying these suitcases one by one and keeping them in the sun, and after that I'll put them in their places. I especially enjoyed munching moongfali or peanuts while roaming around the Ramlila fair. I'm sure we all have some childhood memories related to fairs. What memories do you have from the fairs? Please share with me in the comment box. Now I'm keeping the washed clothes in the drawer and almirah. While emptying the bags, I had kept a lot of stuff on the dining table, so now I am removing all these items to make space on the table. And now everything has been unpacked. Most of the stuff has been put in its place also. Almost all the work has been finished. Only these clothes are left to wash, which I'm doing now. I always put clothes in the machine one by one so that they don't get tangled inside and get washed thoroughly. After bathing, I am feeling a little less tired and refreshed, praying and expressing my gratitude to God. And now it's time to check out my kitchen. I had already cleaned my kitchen thoroughly before leaving, but I can see a little dust here. So I'm cleaning the countertop and making a kadak chai or kadak tea. Tea will make me more energetic to prepare the dinner. However, I'm planning to make tahri or pulao tonight, which is the easiest and healthiest option, isn't it? I love doing chit chat with my sparrow. Well, sometimes I get bored too, but it's okay. I will remember these things when she grows up. Now I am keeping all the suitcases at their designated places. I don't cover them up completely so that proper airflow is maintained. One can also put silica gel sachets to get rid of excess moisture inside the bag. With that, I will take a leave now and see you all next week. Bye.